इंस्टीट्यूशनल के लिए रिसोर्सेज तमिलनाडु बोर्ड 11th क्लास की एनसीईआरटी, तमिलनाडु बोर्ड की 12th क्लास की एनसीईआरटी। आर एस शर्मा, इंडियाज एंशियंट पास्ट में टोटल 33 चैप्टर्स। मिडाइवल इंडिया, हिस्ट्री ऑफ मिडाइवल इंडिया बाय सतीश चंद्रा, ये करनी है। मॉडर्न इंडिया के लिए हिस्ट्री ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया बाय बिपिन चंद्रा, और आर्ट एंड कल्चर के लिए इंडियन आर्ट एंड कल्चर नितिन सिंघानिया। मैप सेक्शन के लिए मैप एंट्री हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल, ये राशिद यासीन और रंजन सिंह, ये करनी है। और इन सब के बाद में ये मेरे खुद के हैंड रिटन नोट्स टॉपिक वाइज, जैसे एंशियंट हिस्ट्री के टॉपिक है सिलेबस में। फर्स्ट सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री आर्कियोलॉजिकल, लिटरेरी सोर्सेज आर्कियोलॉजिकल सोर्सेज, हड़प्पन हंटर्स एंड गैदरर्स टू एग्रीकल्चर, हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन, फार्मिंग कम्युनिटीज ऑफ फार साउथ, द पीरियड ऑफ इंडो-आर्यन Vedic, rise of heterodox sects, Buddhism, Jainism, the period of Mahajanpadas, the first empire, Mauryan empire, a great king doing, Ashoka and Dharma, post-Mauryan empire, foreign kingdoms, native kingdoms, art, architecture and sculptures, Gupta empire, post-Gupta period, the Vardhanas, early state and society in South India, the Vakatakas, the Chalukyas and others, art, architecture and sculptures. Medieval history, early medieval India 750 से 1200, cultural traditions in India 750 से 1200, Islam and India's invasion of Ghazni and Muhammad Ghori, the Turkish sultans in Delhi, the Turkish sultans in Delhi, Khilji, Tughlaq and others, the Sultanate administration, the story of far south, art and architecture and sculptures. Part 3rd, rise of provincial dynasties, Mughals, Ghazadars, Babur, Humayun, Sher Shah, a great kings drawing upper hand his policies, the mighty Mughals, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb, art, architecture and sculpture. 4. The Mughal administration, 17th century development, Shivaji and the early Maratha kingdom. 18th century developments, decline of the Mughals, 18th century developments and Maratha ascendancy under the Peshwas. ये 17 years topic wise solution of PYQ history, इससे मैच क्रॉनिकल्स की, ये इससे मैच करते हैं, जिसमें मैप सेक्शंस मैप सेक्शन में ये 2022 के क्वेश्चन 22, मैप के 20 क्वेश्चन, ये 23 के। तो पेपर वन में टोटल टॉपिक 25 टॉपिक पेपर फर्स्ट में, और पेपर सेकंड में 25 टोटल टॉपिक है। पेपर सेकंड में 27, पेपर सेकंड में 27 टोटल हो गए 52 टॉपिक हो गए टोटल। पहला टॉपिक मैप सेक्शन, सोर्सेज आर्कियोलॉजिकल सोर्सेज, एक्सप्लोरेशन, आर्कियोलॉजिकल सेक्शन एक्सप्लोरेशन, archaeological sources, exploration, excavation, epigraphic, numismatics. Sources, archaeological sources, exploration, excavation, epigraphic, numismatics, monuments, literary sources, indigenous, primary and secondary, poetry, scientific literature in regional languages, religious literature, foreign account, Greek, Chinese and Arab writers, pre-Historic, proto-history, geographical factors, hunting and gathering, Paleolithic and Mesolithic, beginning of agriculture, Neolithic and Chalcolithic. Indus Valley Civilization origin, date, extent, characteristics, decline, survival and significance, art and architecture. Megalithic culture, distribution of pastoral and farming cultures outside the Indus, development of community life, settlements, development of agriculture, craft, pottery and iron industry. Aryans and Vedic period. Aryans and Vedic period. Expansion of Aryans in India. Vedic period. Religious and philosophical literature. Philosophic literature transformation from Rigvedic period to the later Vedic period. Political, social, economical life. Significance of the Vedic age. Evolution of monarchy and Varna system. Period of Mahajanpadas. Formation of states. Mahajanpada. Republic and monarchies, rise of urban centers, trade routes, economic growth, introduction of coinage, spread of Jainism and Buddhism, rise of Magadha and Nandas, Iranian and Macedonian invasion and their impact, Mauryan Empire. Foundation of the Mauryan Empire, Chandragupta, Kautilya and Arthashastra, Ashoka, concept of Dharma, ethics, polity, administration, economy, art, architecture, sculpture, external contacts, religion, spread of religion, literature, disintegration of the empire, Shungas and Kannavas. Post-Maurya period, Indo-Greek, Sakas, Kushanas, Western Kshatrapas. Contact with outside world, growth of urban centers, economic coinage, development of religions, Mahayan, social conditions, art, architecture, culture, literature and science. Early state and society in eastern India, Deccan and South India. Kharavela, the Satavahanas, Tamil state of Sangam age, administration, economy, land grants, coinage, trade guilds and urban centers, Buddhist centers, Sangam literature and culture, art and architecture. Guptas, Vakatakas and Vardhanas. Polity and administration, economic conditions, coinage of the Guptas, land grants, decline of urban centers, Indian federalism. Caste system, position of women, education and educational institutions, Nalanda, Vikramshila and Vallabhi literature, scientific literature, art and architecture, regional states during Gupta era. The Kadambas, Pallavas, Chalukyas of Badami, polity and administration, trade guilds, literature, growth of Vaishnava and Shaiva religion, Tamil Bhakti movement, Shankaracharya, Vedanta, institution of temples and temple architecture, Pala, Senas, Rashtrakutas, Parmas, polity and administration, cultural aspects, Arab conquest of Sindh, Al-Baruni, the Chalukyas of Kalyan, Cholas, Hoysalas, Pandyas, polity and administration, local government, growth of art and architecture, religious sects, institution of temple and mathas, Agraharas, education and literature, economy and society. Themes in early Indian cultural history. Languages and texts, major stages in the evolution of art and architecture, major philosophical thinkers and schools, ideas in science and mathematics. Early medieval India 750 to 1200. Polity. Major political developments in northern India and the peninsula, origin and the rise of Rajputs. The Cholas, administration, village economy and society, Indian federalism, agrarian economy and urban settlements, trade and commerce, society, the status of the Brahman and the new social order, condition of women, Indian science and technology, cultural traditions in India 750 to 1200, philosophy, Shankaracharya and Vedanta, Ramanuja and Vishishta Dvaita, Madhva and Brahma Mimamsa. Religion, forms and features of religion, Tamil devotional cult, growth of Bhakti, Islam and its arrival in India, Sufism, literature in Sanskrit, growth of Tamil literature in the newly developing languages. Kalhan's Ras Tarangini, Al-Baruni's India, art and culture, temple architecture, sculpture, painting. The 13th century establishment of the Delhi Sultanate, the Gorian invasions, factors behind Gorian success, economic, social and cultural consequences, foundation of Delhi Sultanate and early Turkish sultans, consolidation, the rule of Iltutmish and Bourbon. The 14th century. The Khilji Revolution, Alauddin Khilji. The Khilji Revolution, Alauddin Khilji, conquest and territorial expansion, agrarian and economic measures, Muhammad Tughlaq, major projects, agrarian measures, bureaucracy of Muhammad Tughlaq, Firoz Tughlaq, agrarian measures, achievements in civil engineering and public works, decline of the Sultanate, foreign contacts and Ibn Battuta's accounts, society, culture and economy, the 13th and 14th centuries. Society composition of rural society, ruling classes, town dwellers, women, religious classes, caste and slavery and other Sultanate, Bhakti movement, Sufi movement, culture, Persian literature, literature in the regional languages of North India, literature in the language of South India, Sultanate architecture and new structural forms, paintings, evolution of the composite culture, economy, agricultural production, rise of urban economy and non-agricultural production, trade and commerce. The 15th and early 16th century political developments and economy, rise of provincial dynasties, Bengal, Kashmir, Janaul, Abadin, Gujarat, Malwa, Brahmanids, the Vijayanagara Empire, Lodhis, Mughal Empire, first phase. The Modis, first phase, Babur and Humayun, the Sur Empire, Sher Shah's administration, Portuguese colonial enterprise, Bhakti and Sufi movements, 15th and early 16th century society and culture, regional cultural specificities, literary traditions, provincial architecture, society, culture, literature and the arts in Vijayanagara Empire. Akbar, conquest and consolidation of the empire, establishment of Jagir and Mansab system, Rajput policy, evolution of religions and social outlook, theory of Sulh, pull and religious policy, code pattern of art and technology, Mughal empire in the 17th century. Major administrative policies of Jahangir, Shahjahan and Aurangzeb empire and the Zamindars, religious policies of Jahangir, Shahjahan and Aurangzeb, nature of the Mughal state, late 17th century crisis and the revolts, the Ahom kingdom, Shivaji and the early Maratha kingdom. Economy and society in the 16th and 17th centuries, population, agricultural production, craft production, towns, commerce with Europe through Dutch, English and French companies, a trade revolution, Indian mercantile classes, banking, insurance and credit systems, condition of peasants, condition of women, evolution of the Sikh community and the Khalsa Panth. Culture in the Mughal Empire, Persian histories and other literature, Indian and other religious literature, Mughal architecture, Mughal painting, provincial architecture and painting, classical music, science and technology. The 18th century. Factors for the decline of the Mughal Empire, the regional principalities, Nizams, Deccan, Bengal, Awadh, Maratha ascendancy under the Peshwas, the Maratha fiscal and financial system, emergence of Afghan power, Battle of Panipat, 1761, state of politics, culture and economy on the eve of the British conquest. पेपर सेकेंड बाद में करेंगे.